third-rate contractor.
Okay.
No, that didn't just...
Something's amiss here. One guard short.
Surveillance exposed.
Am I the only one who thinks all this is off?
What the hell is a bare knuckle boxer? What? The sanguine boss. No. Yeah, I should take it.
Shit. Still no answer.
Now, hold on. He's what? What?
What's going on? I feel too cold. I feel horrible. Visit the men's room. I feel too warm. I think I might be out.
Are you just trying to get attention?
Follow me.
This is unsettling.
I wish I had that job.
Stop, you look fine.
I know I look fine, but he's like a...
Let me know if I can help
come through here or something.
Sorry about that.
God! Oh, what did you eat?
So, if you kick with your hand, will you ever wash it again?
Yeah, I saw you blush earlier when you put on his makeup.
Oh, what did I say?
Work 47. Time to find Dahlia Margolis. Both targets are down.